Turning now to long-term debt securities. As we mentioned in the previous module, they are usually referred to using the general term bonds. Sometimes they're called notes, and that is usually applied to a medium term, say between 1 and 5 years. Sometimes they're referred to as debentures if they are unsecured. There are no hard and fast rules, but generally speaking, the term bond is used for a debt that is secured. There's some sort of collateral that you can take possession of if the borrower does not repay the money. And if they are unsecured, then they are often referred to as debentures. Sometimes they can be issued in perpetuity. This was mentioned in the previous module. And those types of bonds, those that last forever, are called consols. Long-term securities, bonds, debentures, notes and consols, normally issued by firms and governments for long-term funding. In most cases, the issuer of a long-term bond promises to make regular coupon payments. A coupon payment is the term that we use for the interest payable on a bond. There are historical reasons for the use of the term coupon. Bonds have been around for hundreds of years, and before the advent of electronic trading and computer systems, when you bought a bond, you got a physical piece of paper. Possession of that piece of paper was proof of ownership, and attached to the piece of paper were a number of coupons, and each time an interest payment was due, you would clip the coupon and exchange it for cash. This is an example of a series of coupons from a bond that was issued in 1922. These coupon payments are payable every 6 months on the first day of March and September. Today, of course, we don't use coupons in a literal sense, and you don't need physical possession of a piece of paper to register your ownership of a bond. Your ownership is recorded electronically, and every time a coupon payment is due, you either receive a check or, more commonly these days, it is credited to your bank account. Coupon payments are usually paid annually, semi-annually or quarterly. Coupon payments on Australian Treasury bonds are always paid semi-annually, and this is a fact about the Australian financial system that you are expected to remember. The coupon rate tells you the rate of interest that you will receive. It's always quoted as an annual rate, and it's calculated as a percentage of the face value of the bond. So in order to work out the value of each coupon payment, we can use this formula. The coupon rate times the face value gives you the total amount of interest paid per year. If coupon payments occur more than once a year, such as semi-annually or quarterly, you have to divide the total amount of interest by the number of coupon payments per year.